Hello, this is the video of the critical function test. The critical function that I'm testing is the height rotation with a specific time limit. To carry out the test, I've made use of two frames that aren't connected to each other. The cylinder will push the upper frame with its external mass. To guide the cylinder in a vertical plane movement, there has been made use of three copper tubes within 3 square bars to represent the guide rail. This test is to prove the calculation of which pneumatic cylinder is used in reality. The first test was with a cylinder that has an 8mm bore. The downside about this test was that the cylinder was damaged. The piston rod wasn't parallel with the tube. I had to push the rod in place for a cylinder to push the frame. This concluded in wrong times, but the times were still within the limit. So the 8mm bore works with the frame. The second test was with a 10mm bore cylinder. This cylinder worked perfectly fine and it pushed the frame within the time limit with ease. As expected. The third test was with a 12mm bore cylinder. Sadly, the tubes were a bit short, whereby the upper frame wasn't as steady as with the other tests. The cylinder pushed the frame within the time limit even though the stroke was twice as large as the one needed. This was the video of the critical function test. Have a nice day!